Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see Helloworld Program in Robo Framework. We are going to start with Python download and install. Then we'll install Robo Framework. We'll install, of course, download first and then install Visual Studio Code. We'll install Visual Studio Code extensions that are required for Robo Framework, and then we'll write a simple Robo program and we'll try to execute it from Visual Studio Code. So let's start. Go to Chrome and say download Python. And make sure you are downloading it from the authentic Python website. Please make sure you are writing a correct web address. And click on download Python. Before, like, let's open it, and but before installing it, open command prompt and say python hyphen hyphen version. If you see this, that means Python is not installed on your computer. Then before starting the installation, make sure you check this checkbox, because this will add the Python's path in your environment variable. Then install now. Python installation is complete. Let's click on close. Then let's install Robo framework now. If you see pip list, I need to reopen this command prompt, I guess. Python hyphen hyphen version. See, Python 3.9.6 is installed on your computer. Now, let's say call pip list. This will show all the installed libraries, Python libraries on your computer. These are the libraries currently installed on my computer. Selenium is from my earlier installation, I guess. You won't see this. Then let's install Robo now. Say pip install Robo framework. I'll be mentioning these commands in the description of this video. Okay, Robo is installed. Now if you say pip list, say Robo framework 4.0.3 is installed on your computer. Now let's download Visual Studio Code and try to install it. The download was quite quick. Accept the agreement and keep everything as default. The installation is also quick. Close this welcome screen and open a folder. Maybe go to C drive and click this. Okay. Let me go to this folder first, and I'll delete everything. Okay, so let's create a new file over here. I don't want to open a file, I want to create a file, a new file. Maybe hello.robo. Okay, now let's start with your Robo program. Uh, First of all, you need to add the test cases, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here you need to write test cases. Write your first test case 1, insert that, say log hello world. This is your first test case with Robo Framework. Click on save. Now if you see everything is written in white, my Visual Studio Code is not able to understand the Robo code. For that you'll have to add some extensions in in Visual Studio Code. So go to extensions tab and search for uh, Robocode. You will see two extensions and you have to install both of them. Make sure you do not have any other plugins over here for Robo, because sometimes they conflict with each other and they won't work as expected. Now after installation of these plugins, these extensions, you can see my colors in this Robo file are changed, and Robo is able to understand my uh, test case. Sorry, Visual Studio Code is able to understand the Robo code. Now let's go to command prompt and execute this file. Robo 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to give 4 spaces here. You can see our test case is passed, and let's open the log of this test case. It's saying hello world. All right, now I need to run this test case from Visual Studio Code, but I do not see this any option to run this test case. For that you need to configure this extensions. Click on extension settings, and there must be some Python path over here. Or here, go to Robocode, click on extension settings. Here it is asking for Python path. So for that, uh, let's go to directories and go to C drive, users, your username, and then you need to search for app data. Go to local, here programs, and then Python 3.9. Here's my python.exe, right? So type Python here, copy this path of python.exe and paste it over here. Click on reload window. Yes, you're able to see the run option, right? Now if you click on run, you are able to run this test case from the Visual Studio Code itself, and there are options for debug as well. Here you can put a debug point, for example, hello world 1, hello world 2. You can actually put the debug point here. Okay, a breakpoint, and then start debug. See, the debugging is as easy as Java code. It's Visual Studio Code brings you a lot of good facilities. Uh, I would say this is the best IDE you can use for Robo Framework. Let's go to our PPT. Alright friends, if this video helped you, like this video and put your thoughts in comment section. Subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.